welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful angel. You can see that how beautiful it is. I'll show you step by step tutorial, and this tutorial is beginner friendly, so let's get started. For this project I am using wool yarn and 3mm crochet hook. At first I am making a slip knot with a big hole. Inside the slip knot I am making, you can see that I am making 1 and 2 chain which is not counted, and then I will make total 12 double crochet. Yes guys, it's 12 double crochet. 1, 2. In this way I'll do 12 double crochet. Okay, now I am pulling the tail yarn to close the circle and make a slip stitch to join the circle. It's almost finished. You can see that I am make a slip stitch with the first double crochet and it's finished. Now I will make again 2 chain, and in the same stitch I'll make 2 double crochet. Okay, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and in the next stitch I'll do 2 double crochet. Okay, 1 and 2. That's way I will do all the stitches. I'll do 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet. That means 12 double crochet will be 24 double crochet total in that round. Okay, it's finished with 24 double crochet, and I am making a slip stitch to join the round, and it's finished. Okay, now I'll make again 2 chain, 1 and 2, and then in the same stitch I'll do 1 double crochet, and in the next I'll do 2 double crochet. Okay, 1 and 2, and then 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet. Okay, that means 1 2 1 2. In that pattern I'll complete the whole round with 36 double crochet here. Okay, here I'll get 36 double crochet. You can see that it's finished, and I'll make a slip stitch to join the round. Yes, it's done. Now a chain and cut the yarn and add a new color yarn for the border line. Okay, now I am adding white color yarn to do the border line. You can see that, and make a chain, and in the same stitch I am doing a single stitch, and in the next a single stitch. All the stitch I am doing 1 single stitch, 1 single stitch. Then in the finishing I am making a slip stitch to join the round and make 3 chain for the design of the border, and in the next stitch I'll do a slip stitch, then again 1 2 3 chain, and in the next stitch I'll do a slip stitch. Okay, and again 3 chain, and in the next stitch I'll do a slip stitch. In that way I'll do all the whole round of the circle. Okay, you can see that it's finished, and now I am turning the yarn back. Okay, it's finished, and I am turning the yarn back and make 2 chain and cut the yarn and hide the yarn. Okay, carefully hide all the yarn of all the color. That's why the yarn should not be exposed. Okay, so my big circle is ready. In that way I'll make 2 big circle, and for the small circle I'll make again 12 double crochet in the same way, okay, of the previous circle. You can see that 2 chain, and I'll make 12 double crochet here. 1 and 2. In that way I'll make 12 double crochet. You can see I have made 12 double crochet and then 2 chain, and in the same stitch I'll make 2 double crochet, and in the next 2 double crochet, all the stitch I have to do 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet. That means 12 double crochet will be 24 double crochet, okay, for the small circle. Okay, you can see that it's finished, and now I am again like the previous round with white yarn and make 1 single stitch all the stitches, okay. You can see that 1 chain, 1 single stitch, and the next 1 single stitch. All the stitch I have to do 1 single stitch, 1 single stitch, 1 single stitch. That means here 24 single stitch, okay. I'll get 24 single stitch. It's finished, and now I'll do 3 chain, and the next stitch a 1 slip stitch, and again 3 chain, and in the next stitch a slip stitch. In that way I will do all the rounds, okay. I will complete the round of this small circle. You can see that I have finished that round, and make the yarn on the back and 2 chain, cut the yarn and hide all the yarn very carefully. So it's finished with 2 big circle and 2 small circle. You can see that. And now I'm going to make hands. You can see that I'm taking wool yarn and keep the yarn long, and then make a slip knot. You can see that. With the slip knot I'll make 3 chain total, 1, 2, 3, and from the second chain I'll take a loop. You can see how I am doing that. 1 loop and 2 loop, total 3 loops on my hook, then cross the all yarns, okay. And then with the tail yarn I am tighten, and with the tail yarn I am making a slip stitch, okay. And then with the tail yarn I am making 1 single stitch, 2 single stitch, 3 single stitch, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Total 10 single stitch I am making for the hands, okay. In the same way I'll make another hands, total 2 hands, obviously 2 hands. And then I'm going to make the legs. You can see that, keep the yarn long and make a slip knot. And now I am making 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 chain, and with the second chain I'll take the loop, 1 loop, then next 2 loop, and then next 3 loops, okay, and 4 loops on my hook, and all the loops I'll cross with the yarn. You can see that. And with the tail yarn I am tighten first and make a slip stitch, and like the hands I'll make 20 stitch now total for the legs, for the legs, because of legs are long, okay. 2, 3, and that's why I'll make total 20 stitches. So it's finished 20 stitch, and now I will cut the yarn. It's finished, and I have made total 2 legs. Okay, you can see that it's complete. Now I'm going to make the shoes. It's very cute and very easy. You can see that for the legs I'm making 2 shoes, and you have to use front loop. Okay, I am adding yarn with front loop and then make 1 chain, and in that same stitch 1 single stitch, then again another single stitch, then another single stitch. There's a total 3 single stitch on 3 stitches, and in the fourth here I'll do 2 single stitch total. Okay, 1, and in the same stitch I'll do another single stitch, and the turn over the project, and again on the front loop I'll do 3 single stitch. Okay, 3 front loop, 3 single stitch. You see that 3 single stitch, and now I'll make a slip stitch to join the round. 1 chain and cut the yarn, and hide the yarn obviously very carefully. You can see I am hiding the yarn and making a knot to secure the yarn. Okay, it's very easy. And cut the yarn. Make 2 shoes on the same pattern. Okay, now I am making a pendant with 60 chain total. You can take 70 chain or more or less. I am taking 60 chain. It's done, and now it's almost all things are ready to use, and now I am making a knot with legs and pendant. You can see that. After making knot with legs and pendant, then I am going to make the head. I have cut the clothes with 5 inches long. No need to any finishing cut. It's normal, and I am taking some cotton and making a wrap with white yarn. With the white yarn, you can see that how I am doing that. You see that, and it's almost done. And now I am making a knot to secure the yarn. I am cutting the yarn, and now I am just wrapping the cotton with the cloth. You can see that it's very easy. Okay, and now I am making a knot to secure the cloth. The head is almost ready, and now I am cutting the clothes, extra clothes. Okay, now I am applying some eyeshadow to make it skin color. You can see that, and if you have skin color clothes, it's better. Okay, I have no skin color clothes, that's why I am using eyeshadow. Okay, if you have skin color clothes, it's very good. And now I am making head with a small circle. You can see that I am adding a yarn surround the head. You see that, skip 1 stitch and you just put the yarn inside the head. Do the full round as same as I shown you. You can see. Now I'll fix the whole doll. Firstly, I am fixing the legs and pendant between a big circle. You see that how I am doing that. And now I will apply some glue to fix the other big circle, to attach it with one another. You see that? It's very easy. It's ready. It is the dress. With two circles, I have made a beautiful dress. And now I'll fix the upper side of the dress, the body of the dress, with one small circle. I'm applying some glue to fix the hands with this circle. You see that how I am doing that? You see that? The two hands I am joining through a circle which is small, and now I am insert the pendant through the circle and applying some glue to fix the circle with the bottom of the dress. Okay, you see that it's very easy. With three circles I am making a beautiful doll, and now I am fixing the head with glue, and now applying some glue with back side of the head to fix the pendant. Yes, it's done. And now I am putting the head. You see that I'm putting some glue in the head and hand. I am insert the hat on the head and fix. It's finished almost. It's very easy. And now I am making a knot to fix the hat on the head. Okay, it's ready, and now I am drawing its face. I am using gel pen to draw its face. It's very easy. You can draw any size, any expression of face. I am doing it. It's almost finished. It's done. That's my today's doll. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, please comment me. Bye bye. Tada.